Meet POWERUP 4. With 2 motors, 2 new sensors, and a flight computer, it looks bad conditions in the eye and says, bring it on. All you need to do is fold a paper plane, attach the module, and download the app. Now change your name to Maverick, because you're about to go full Top Gun. POWERUP 4 is also twice as strong, so you can basically fly anything. Planes made out of cardboard, styrofoam, and light wood. It has this cool landing gear for takeoff and landing, and these so awesome LED lights for night flight. So if you want to fly through the sky with the most advanced paper airplane ever, or any plane really, get POWERUP 4, a plane that's so much ahead of anything we've ever done, we gave it a new number.